If you want to make an image full width in Elementor, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove those annoying side gaps and get your image stretching cleanly across the page. This is super useful for hero sections, banners, landing pages, and any layout where you want a more professional, edge-to-edge look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Elementor tips and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to select the container that holds your image. On the page, click the 6 dots at the top of the section or container, which opens the Edit Container panel. This is important because the container controls how the content inside behaves. Once the container settings open, go to the Layout tab. Here, change the content width from boxed to full width. This tells Elementor to let the container stretch across the available space instead of keeping everything inside a narrow boxed area. After that, look for columns gap or gaps and set it to no gap. This removes extra spacing on the sides and between elements, which is often the reason the image does not look fully stretched. Now move to the image itself. Click directly on the image widget so you can edit the image settings. In the Content tab, find the image size option and set it to full. This ensures Elementor uses the full image size instead of a smaller cropped version. Next, switch over to the Style tab. In this section, set the width to 100%, then set the max width to 100% as well. These two settings help the image expand to fill the container properly without being restricted by Elementor's default sizing. If the image still does not look completely full width, the next thing to check is the container padding. Sometimes the image is technically full width, but there is still a small space around it caused by padding. To fix that, select the parent container again and go to the Advanced tab. Look for the padding setting and make sure it is set to 0. If needed, clear the top, right, bottom, and left values individually so there is no spacing left behind. This is one of the most common reasons people see a tiny gap even after changing the width settings. If your image is still stuck inside a boxed layout, there is one more important setting to check. Click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open the page settings. Then look for page layout. Set it to Elementor Full Width if you want the content to expand while still keeping the theme, header, and footer. If you want a completely blank canvas with no extra theme elements, choose Elementor Canvas instead. This can make a big difference depending on the template or theme you are using. Once you've made all your changes, go to the top right and click Update or Publish to save everything. Now preview the page and you should see your image stretching full width the way you wanted. If you followed each step, you've removed the box container limits, cleared the spacing, and set the image to display properly across the page. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more Elementor tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.